radio, it's back home. My parents gave this Panasonic RF-2200 to me 43 years ago, Christmas 1977, and I'm gonna take you through a little history on it. The radio has been in a box down in my basement for the last 20 years. When I bought this house, I've been wanting to have it restored, but I've been looking for the right person, and thankfully I found that person. This is not a ordinary radio, certainly not a set that I bought off of eBay, and while there's nothing wrong with that, the radio has a story behind it and a provenance that I do want to share with you in this video. This is my first proper multi-band shortwave radio receiver, and we were just listening to some FM. I'm actually going to start off the video with a little bit of a hidden feature. When you're tuned on FM, you can throw this 125 kilohertz crystal marker and leave it down, and it works as a loudness control only in FM. But you can see here well, it's light outside, but our lights work. Radio has had a complete recap. There we go. Helps if I turn the power back on. Had a complete recap, alignment, calibration, cosmetic cleaning, and the gentleman who did the service is a gentleman who I've actually I referred one of my doctors to, a gentleman who had a Sony ICF Pro 80, and this gentleman, Vlado, specializes in portable radio sets, and does so, well, I think the RF-2200 is his favorite radio. He's done dozens and dozens and dozens of these, including two for Thomas Witherspoon, the editor of the SWL blog. So I had been corresponding with Vlado for months, and he started the business back up after the coronavirus. Not that coronavirus is gone, but non-essential businesses are now back up. So I was able to send it to him. He kept me posted on every step, and even ran it for an extensive bench test. Honest to gosh, I do not do unboxing videos, but I came close. I came close with this set because I unboxed it for the first time 43 years ago, unboxed it again this morning. I could cry happy tears right now. The radio was not in terrible cosmetic condition, but it clearly needed work, and I knew it was going to need some extensive electronic work. I'm sure he used an absolute ton of deoxit, cleaning all the band switches and the contacts, and let's put it this way. This was money and time well spent, because I feel like I have a brand new radio set back again. Let's show you the back next. Here's the back of my RF-2200. We'll open it up here. I've got 4 D cells using Rayovac high energies. Like brand new, like absolute brand new. The real secret to restoring this set properly And the first thing that Vlado did was lubrication of the gyro antenna. This is not a handle. The internal mechanism has to be lubricated properly. You can hear it. All the click points work the way they should. And you've got a calibration here with the number of degrees. This works for AM. This is not a gimmick. This really works. And for AM, I don't think there's a better radio set available. Of course, your telescoping antenna works for shortwave and for FM. FM, shortwave, AM. You've got 6 shortwave bands, narrow and wide, 500 kilohertz, 125 kilohertz for your crystal marker of volume, bass and treble, RF gain for AM and for shortwave, tuning speeds, fast and slow, BFO, and a light. On the side you've got earphone jack. You've also got a record out. I think that's record out. Might be a timer. Anyways, control that I never really used on the set, but it is truly a thing of beauty. I'm going to give you some information next. Everyone was contacting me, asking me who did the restoration, and I wanted to make darn sure that the radio made it back home in one piece. And not only that, but it was functioning the way it should. And not that I didn't trust him, but you want to validate the work before you start giving out names. So I'll give you his contact information next. Highly, highly recommended.
To our lives here in March.
Here's his website. And then tell Vlado that I sent you his way, and I have no control over his schedule or workflow, but I can tell you he loves restoring these radios, and he is a gentleman, and you will be very pleased with his service. So that's it. I'm going to make a series of videos on my Panasonic RF-2200. I hope you enjoy them, and take care for now. Loving this radio.